Hi everyone, it's... Oh, wait a minute. Sorry, forgot I had this thing on. Hi everyone, it's Don, and I hope everyone is having a fantastic weekend. And I don't know if you all saw this, but those of you who did, do you remember when I showed you this mask from Seabeast that they sent me for a review, which I really enjoy. I like the design. It fits really comfortable, and I'm really looking forward to using this on my next cruise, which is coming up in April, very shortly, so less than 30 days away now. And, well, the reason I wanted to show you this again, if you remember the video, well, let me just show you the ending of the video right now.
I'm not really a patient guy. I have to try the mask.
Yeah, that's not going to work.
What? Oh, son of a...
So the reason I wanted to show you that was, besides showing you the mask, is one of our subscribers sent me a video that I absolutely love, and I thought it was absolutely fantastic, and when you see it, you'll know exactly what I mean, so here it is. I just love that. I absolutely love that. It just makes my day, and if I'm feeling a little down, I'm just going to bring that video up. I now have it saved on my computer right up in the corner, and I'm just going to click on it to make myself smile because I absolutely love that. And well, while I'm on the topic of the Seabeast and the mask, I haven't had a chance to use this in the ocean yet, but that's coming up very soon. You see it has the camera for the GoPro. It comes in a couple pieces. This just snaps on and it sounds great. Well, guess what? Well, my friends over at Seabeast sent me their brand new mask that just went on sale last month. And again, it comes in its own little Velcro case, which is perfect. But the reason I'm showing it to you is because there's a couple changes to the mask that I thought are, worth mentioning in case you're going to be buying a Seabeast mask or a full face snorkel mask to begin with. And one of the things that I noticed on the design is this is now attached on a hinge. So it's no longer two pieces, so less chances of this going missing. It just folds down and packs away perfectly. It still has the camera mount on the front, so all that is the same. And the difference is I don't have the plastic off on it yet, so that's why it might look a little grayed out to you. But the other big difference too is this one is supposed to be anti-fog, not needing any solution or any work ahead of time to not fog up in the oceans. And if you have ever used some, snorkel masks and all that, that's something you're doing all the time. You're wiping the eyes, wiping it and putting it back on your face and things like this. So this isn't supposed to have that, and in 32 days from now, I am snorkeling and in the ocean, so I'm going to be showing you both these masks and how they work, and we're going to test the anti-fog. I tried blowing on it, and nothing. It's not anti-fog, it's not fogging up at all. So I have a great feeling that this is going to be fantastic. Apparently it's $10 more because of that. I think it's almost worth $10 more just for this, because now I'm not going to lose the top end part, and if you lose the top end part on a snorkel mask, you're not breathing. So it kind of makes it not worth it anymore. So again, thank you Seabeast. This is not sponsored, they're not paying me in any way. I'm free to say what I want, and I'm going to give you a full review of this in the water coming up next month. But when I was sent that video this week, I just had to bring it up, and then this arrived during the week on Monday, so I said, well, I might as well combine the videos and just show you that because, well, okay, one more time. I just want to thank that subscriber so much, my young fan, and I'm a big fan of hers now. So that's fantastic. So I hope you liked this video and got a good fun feeling out of it, because I certainly did. And stay tuned for my cruise coming up that I'm going to be showing off the masks. I'm planning to go horseback riding in the ocean. I'm planning on going scuba diving and catamaran riding, and you name it, there's going to be a few things we're doing. So I hope you'll stay tuned for that. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You want to see more videos and more snorkeling, please hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have yourself a safe and a great vacation.